Hi, I'm Matt Furey with Psycho-Cybernetics 365. Today, I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily raise your vibration. Before I do so, please make sure that you like, subscribe, and share this video because it motivates me to put out even more stellar content. The first thing you do is you begin to picture yourself larger than life. Instead of seeing yourself the same height that you are, you elevate and amplify the image you have of yourself. Dr. Maltz always talked about seeing yourself 8 to 10 feet tall. I would say 10 feet or more. Let's just start with 10. You form a mental picture in your mind with your eyes open. This will instantly work. You see yourself outside of yourself, about 5 feet in front of where you're sitting or standing, and you just start to imagine that you're 10 feet tall. You start seeing this image. As soon as you do, your vibration begins to be uplifted. You start to feel a little tingling sensation. You are out of your own head and you're into your mind. The second thing you want to do is begin paying attention to the invisible substance around your body. Let's make it easy. Start in front of your heart center, not on your body itself, but out about 4 to 6 inches. You start paying attention to the invisible air that we take in when we breathe. You just put your mind there and start to feel, once again, that it's taking you out of your head. You're not thinking all these thoughts that are disturbing and so on, because your focus is out here. Once you have it out here, you can then move it in front of your head, in front of your forehead. This is a big screen. This is the viewing screen of your mind, and you imagine there's another screen out here. You don't have to see a screen, but you just get the idea. Put your mind where this screen would be. Just start to focus there. And you start to notice that life feels different when you're not inside your head. You're a little bit outside. Now you can go directly above your head, above the top of your head. Same exercise. Put your mind up here. Just imagine and feel. You can put not your whole body here, just your mind, your intention goes here. So by doing this, whether you're in front of the heart center, whether you're in front of the forehead, or whether you're above your head, instantly you feel calmer and more relaxed, and your vibration begins to shift. The third step is to have an upward look. A bright future is ahead of you. When you're down in the dumps, when you're worried, when you're fearful, when you're not feeling at your best, we tend to have a downward look, or a look to the right, or a look to the left. What we want is more of an upward look, and you want it to be centered. So just imagine that you're looking at the sun and your focus is there. And you can literally imagine that you're looking at the sun or the moon or the stars and so on, or the tops of redwood trees that are 200 feet tall. You're just looking up and the focus is centered. It's aligned with your spine. You're focusing on that. And once again, the vibration is elevated. These 3 tips will take care of you on a daily basis. They're simple, they're easily implementable, and they are fast. Before I go, do me a favor and go to psycho-cybernetics.com and subscribe to my emails. I think you're going to absolutely love them.